Hey, greetings. We're Performance Vacuum of Denver. We're Denver's premier central vacuum installer, showroom, and overall central vacuum store. And today I want to show you why I recommend the Sebo Et2 and Et1 power heads to so many customers. These are also sold as the VacuFlow Acclaim 15 or Acclaim 12. So this nozzle is quiet. Yeah, that's the real sound of the machine. It's super quiet. It's maneuverable. Yeah, it does that too. And then it's easy to service. I'm going to show you that. This is designed for you, the customer, to be able to take apart, clean, and maintenance yourself. These machines come with a 4-position carpet height adjustment. These are good from low to medium to some of the soft pile carpets. Sebo nozzle has a sensor to let you know that if you've adjusted the nozzle incorrectly, with this wonderful little red light here, and it will freestand by itself. Both the Sebo Et1 and Et2 are super easy to service. All you gotta do is press the button, pull the end cap off, give the roller a twist, and we can take the brush roller out without any tools, clean it, and put it back in. It's even top rack dishwasher safe if you need to sanitize it. How easy is that? If you have something stuck in the nozzle, you can open the yellow door and you can get in both sides. So very simple for you, the end user, to service. And of course, there's no belt to change. The machine will go into a safety mode, which you can then just reset like anything else in life. The bottom of the machine has 3 wheels, which is one of the things that gives us the maneuverability. And the wheels also have elevated rubber center, so that it's not going to scratch your hard floor. The ability for the Sebo Et2 to handle tough messes is almost unmatched. As you can see, it handles pet hair with ease. It also very nicely grooms the soft carpet without leaving carpet stress marks or overly aggressive lines. This nozzle is also approved for use for wool carpet. One can also add a soft brush roller, which has 2 functions. 1 for delicate carpets, or 2 for really high pile carpets. This can make the machine a little easier to push, especially with all the suction that central vacuums typically have. I hope this has been informative. Come on down to Performance Vacuums and give one of these a test drive for yourself. We have these for sale both as the nozzle separately and the nozzle with a hose and a toolkit for you as well. All of our contact information, including our address, is in the description box below. We'll see you soon.